Selamat pagi murid-murid, saya Teacher Suba. So, hari ini kita akan belajar bahasa Melayu. Hari ini hari Khamis. Tarikh hari ini adalah 14 hari bulan Oktober 2021. Children, today we're going to complete the page number 25 and 26 from the book Buku Tulisan. So please remember to complete your page number 25 and also 26. Now let's do our today's revision. So please write down the day and date and also ejaan. So nombor 1. Kelopak. K-I-K L-O-L-O Kelo P-A-K Pak. Kelopak. Kelopak is petals. Nombor 2. Bunga raya. B-U-Bu N-G-A ngah. Bunga. R-A-Ra Y-A ya. Raya. Bunga raya. Bunga raya is hibiscus. Number 3. Rakyat. R-A-K ra Y-A-T yat. Rakyat. Rakyat is people. Nombor 4. Bunga. B-U-Bu N-G-A ngah. Bunga. R-A-Ra Y-A ya. Raya. A-R D-A-da. Ada. 5. L-I-Li M-A ma. 5. Kelopak. So kelopak we already revised here. So that is today's ejaan, children. Good luck for your ejaan. Okay children, let's we do revision our next week ejaan. So next week the date will be Khamis. Very good. And then the date will be 21 hari bulan Oktober 2021. Nombor 1. Melihat. Melihat. M-E me. L-I-L H-A-T hat. Melihat. So melihat is looking at or watching. Okay, so melihat is watching or looking at. Okay, nombor 2. Berhias. B-E-R ber H-I-He berhi A-S has. Berhias. Berhias is decorate. Okay, when you see from the picture they are decorating the house. Berhias is decorating. Nombor 3. Mengibarkan. M-E-N-G meng. I-E B-A-R bar. Mengibar. K-A-N kan. Mengibarkan. Mengibarkan is fly the flag. Okay, now let's go to number 4. Number 4 is Hadi. H-A-D-I-D. Hadi mengibarkan. We already revision here. Bendera. B-E-N ben. D-E-de. Bende. R-A-ra. Bendera. Very good, children. We done our next week revision of the ejaan. So today we go to our lesson. So let's take your Bahasa Melayu textbook. Okay, children. Now let's open page number 19. But we also going to do page number 20. But teacher want you first focus the page number 19 first. Okay? And make sure write the day and date. So today we're going to learn about the new perayaan, which is Hari Christmas. So children, we already learned the three perayaan before, right? So what are the perayaan we already learned before? First is perayaan perayaan Hari Raya. Nombor dua, perayaan orang Cina. Orang Cina celebrate what perayaan is that? Tahun Baharu Cina. Very good. Then perayaan orang India. So orang India perayaan is what? Deepavali. And now today we going to learn the perayaan Hari Christmas. Okay. So you all know, right? Hari Christmas, you all very you all like to celebrate Hari Christmas, right? Everybody like to celebrate Hari Christmas because you all get the new present. Yes, very good. So now let's point the word, children. Hari ini hari Christmas. Sorry children, one more time. Hari ini hari Christmas. Nombor dua, Kim dan keluarganya menyambut Hari Christmas. One more time. Kim dan keluarganya menyambut Hari Christmas. Kim memakai baju baharu. Kim memakai baju baharu. Kim banyak mendapat hadiah. Kim banyak mendapat hadiah. Kim sangat senang hati. Kim sangat senang hati. Very good. So here teacher want you to draw line to the important words. Number one is let's draw line to keluarganya. Okay, children, keluarganya is very easy. That is my family. Keluarganya is my family. So Kim dan keluarganya menyambut Hari Christmas. That means Kim and his family. I and my family. Keluarganya is my family. Very good. Nombor dua, menyambut. So teacher already teach you menyambut is what, right? Menyambut is celebrate. Okay, menyambut is celebrate. Very good. So these two words teacher already teach you. Okay, number three. Let's draw line to memakai. Okay, memakai is teacher also already teach you memakai baju, memakai mask. What's that? Wearing. Yes, wearing your clothes. That is memakai. Okay, now next word. Baharu. Okay, baharu means new. Baharu is what? New. Okay, it's like a new present, new clothes. That we call baharu. Okay, next one, mendapat. So baharu teacher already teach you. Mendapat. Okay, mendapat is you get or you receive. When we menyambut hari jadi. That means we celebrate the birthday party. We also get the present, right? When we celebrate the Children's Day, teacher all come to your house and then give you the present, right? So you all get the present from the teacher. So get is mendapat. Okay? So mendapat is you get. Hadiah. Okay, hadiah is present. So hadiah is present. Okay, hadiah is a present. That's all, children. We already draw to the important words and also teacher explain the important words. Okay, so now let's go to the page number 20. Okay, now let's read the instruction. Before that, remember to write down the day and date. Tulis huruf untuk melengkapkan perkataan berdasarkan gambar. So first is you look at the pictures. After that, you see they already give you the letters, but you should choose the correct letter to complete the word. Okay? So first one, teacher already give you an example. So first, what snacks that the Indians always make it when the Deepavali time? Muruku. So there are three suku kata. Muruku. So they already give you mu. So which letter will come to become ru? Ru sound. How? Ku or Ru? Yes. So you choose the R and then you write the R here. So now muru Ku, muruku. Yes, that's it, children. Very easy, right? You may revise your textbook to complete this page. Do not worry. Now, let's go to our today's buku activity. And please open page number 39. And we're also going to do page number 40. Okay, first we look at the page number 39. And make sure write the day and date. Okay, children, let's read the instruction. Sila baca soalan di bawah dan lukis gambar yang sesuai dengan perayaan Wani. Kemudian, warnakan gambar yang Anda lukis. Okay, so first you look at the picture and you should listen, you should understand the question they asking. After that, you draw the correct picture, then you make sure to color. Okay, remember to color what you draw. Okay. Okay, then let's read the question inside the box. Apakah perayaan Wani? Bagaimanakah dia menyambut perayaan itu? Okay, first look at the picture. Dia orang India, orang Melayu, or orang Cina? Orang India. So Wani. So what is the Wani's perayaan? Hari Raya, Tahun Baharu Cina, Deepavali, or Hari Christmas? Very good. Deepavali. So now you may draw the pictures how the Indian people celebrate Deepavali. You can revise your textbook. Okay? So teacher give you an example. Yes, you see, you can draw a Indian girl, okay, a Indian people. After that, you can draw the one they all draw the flower on the floor like this. You draw already. What you should do? After that, you should color. Take your color pencil. Okay, let's teacher show you. Take your color pencil like a yellow color. Okay. Now teacher take already. Okay, and then teacher will show you an example. Then you color the picture. After you draw, you should color nicely. nicely, children. Okay, teacher already remind many children should color nicely. Okay, color the picture color the things what you draw it. Okay, very easy, children. Now let's go to below. Vani menyambut hari. Okay, so what is the perayaan Vani celebrate? Okay, that is Deepavali. Then write on the line. Okay, very easy, children. Okay, now let's go to activity 40. Write down the day and date. Bulatkan gambar yang betul. So here you should circle. Okay, circle, children. Okay, first you need to read the sentence. After that, which picture is connected with the sentence, you should circle the correct picture. Okay, so teacher give you one example. Kim menghias pokok Christmas. Kim menghias pokok Christmas. Okay, so which picture is the Kim is menghias, decorate the Christmas tree? Yes, picture number 1. So you should circle. Children, you should circle. So do not circle very big, circle smaller. Okay, circle smaller. Okay, it's very easy. You just circle the picture according to the sentence. Okay, very good, children. Now let's go to the next part. Okay, so now let's take your buku latihan and open page number 39. And we also going to do page number 40. Okay, so let's look at the page number 39 first. Make sure write the day and date. Okay, very easy, children. You should arrange the words to make it a correct sentence. Okay, now look at number 1. So which letter will come number 1? Yes, Calvin, because Calvin, K is a big letter, so capital letter. Number 2, Calvin pakai baju raya. Very good, because the third word have a full stop. So which word has full stop? The word will come last. Okay, so now let's write Calvin. So write the Calvin, and number 2 is pakai, and number 3 is baju raya. Okay, that's it, children. Very easy. Number 2, number 3, number 4. Do by yourself. Now let's go to latihan 40. Write down the day and date. Isikan tempat kosong. So they already give you the sentence, but it's not complete. So you should find the next word from the paragraph and you should write on the line. Okay. So here, let's read the paragraph. Hari ini hari Christmas. Ken dan keluarganya menyambut hari Christmas. Ken memakai baju baharu. Ken mendapat banyak hadiah. Ken sangat senang hati. Okay, now look at number 1. Ken dan keluarganya menyambut. Okay, what Ken and the family celebrate? Yes, keluarganya menyambut. You see, you already see the sentence already. The sentence is already here. But what is the next word? You see, menyambut. Already here, menyambut. The next word is Hari Christmas. So you should write the Hari Christmas on the line. Okay? So number 2, number 3. So you may find the answer inside the paragraph. Okay? Now let's go to our Linus. Okay. Okay, children, now we're going to learn a few new words. Number one, how to read membeli. Membeli. Okay, membeli is buy. Okay, membeli is buying. When you go to the Aeon Mall, you want to buy something, you want to buy the chocolate or you want to buy the ice cream. So that is we call membeli. Okay, nombor dua, menyambut. Menyambut. So just now teacher already teach you menyambut is celebrate like the birthday party. Okay, nombor tiga, memberi. Memberi. Memberi is giving. Okay, you see the girl want to give the present to the mommy. So memberi hadiah, giving. Okay, next one. Menyaksikan. Menyaksikan. Okay, menyaksikan is like watching. Okay, you see when the National Day, the people are watching when the respecting our Malaysia. So the crowd of the people are watching what is happening, watching the crowd of people. So that we call menyaksikan. Okay, now let's go to the page number 50 and also 51. We're going to do two page. So shall we go to the 51st, page number 50. Okay, page number 50, write down the day and date. Baca petikan dan isikan tempat kosong untuk melengkapkan ayat. Okay, so here, can you see what is the perayaan they all celebrate? Yeah, it's a Deepavali. You can see on the floor, you can see the flower, the drawing. They draw the flower. And then, yeah, they're wearing a sari. Yeah, orang India. Okay, very good. You see, today Linus also connection with our lesson. Okay, now let's read the paragraph together with teacher. Hari ini, Devi dan keluarganya akan menyambut perayaan Deepavali. So Devi is this small girl named Devi. So Devi and her family going to celebrate Deepavali. Okay. So next, Devi bangun daripada tidur pada pukul 6 pagi. You see, Devi got up. Okay, sorry. Devi wake up around 6 o'clock, early morning. Devi wake up early morning, 6 o'clock. Okay, now Devi bersiap-siap memakai sari untuk pergi ke kuil bersama keluarganya. So after she wake up at 6 o'clock, she get ready with wearing the sari to go to the temple. Kuil. Kuil is what? Yeah, teacher already teach you. Kuil is the temple. Okay, they go to the temple with the family. Okay, next. Selepas itu, mereka pulang ke rumah dan bersarapan pagi. Okay, after they go to the kuil, then they come back to the house, then they are having their breakfast together. Okay, Ibu Devi menyediakan pelbagai juadah seperti muruku dan chapati. Okay, muruku dan chapati is the food for the Indian people. So the mommy do what? Mommy preparing many variety of the food, especially like muruku and also chapati. Okay, next. Pada waktu petang, Devi dan keluarganya menziarahi. A bit difficult. Now, one more time. Menziarahi. Menziarahi. Saudara mara. Menziarahi is, okay, after evening, okay, when the evening time, Devi and also her family go to the cousin house to celebrate the Deepavali day, visiting their cousin house. That is we call menziarahi, visiting the other people's house. Okay, now let's go to the number 1. Devi bangun daripada tidur pada pukul. Just now teacher say right. What time is Devi wake up? Early morning? Very good. 6 o'clock. Yeah. So Devi bangun. You see the sentence already here. So it's also like our activity book. The answer inside the paragraph. You should find the same sentence inside the paragraph. After that, you should find the next word. Okay, you see Devi already here. Bangun. Same. Daripada. Okay. Tidur, we already here. Pada pukul, already here. And next word is what? Enam. Because pagi, they already give you the pagi here. So what you should write here? 6. So pagi, do not write pagi. Okay, 6. Okay, because they already give you the pagi. And nombor 2, nombor 3, nombor 4, nombor 5, you may do by yourself. Okay, now let's go to page number 51. Write the day and date. Okay, isikan tempat kosong dengan perkataan yang betul. So teacher already teach you the words just now, right? Menyambut, menyaksikan, membeli, memberi. Okay, let's read the sentences. After that, teacher give you one example. Hari ini hari ibu. Bapa. Okay, so choose the answer. Cake untuk ibu. So it's a Mother's Day. So Papa, okay, and give the cake. The Papa cake to the mommy. So what the Papa cake? Okay. Nombor 2, kami hari kanak-kanak pada bulan Oktober. Okay, so when on the October they will Children's Day. What they going to do? Okay, then you choose the answer and write on the line. Number 3, hari ini hari guru. So it's a Teacher's Day. Kami hadiah kepada guru. So the children to teachers. So the children to teachers, they gift to the teacher. Okay, what is the answer here? Nombor 4, hari ini Hari Kebangsaan Malaysia. It's a national day. National Day. Saya dan keluarga perarakan dan perbarisan Hari Kebangsaan. So they all do what when they are national day? So a crowd of people. Just now teacher already told you, right? Okay, so now let's teacher give you one example. Hari ini hari ibu. Bapa cake untuk ibu. So, bapa menyambut, bapa menyaksikan, bapa membeli, bapa memberi kek untuk ibu atau membeli kek untuk ibu. Yes, membeli kek untuk ibu. Okay, nombor 2, nombor 3, nombor 4. You may do by yourself. Now, let's teacher review, remind you the task you're going to do by today. Number 1, your textbook page number 19 and also 20. And your activity book page number 39 and also 40. And then your worksheet book page number 39 and also 40. After that, your Linus book page number 50 and also page number 51. Thank you, children. We finished today's lesson. So make sure finish your homework with good handwriting and color neatly. And drink more water. After that, eat more healthy food. Stay home and stay safe. Okay, bye-bye, children. See you soon.